Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change date and time on MIUI version 10.2. Okay, so first of all let me show you guys that I have MIUI version 10.2 installed on this device. So let me go to the settings, let me tap on the about phone, and here I have this MIUI version. I have MIUI global 10.2 I'm using. Okay, so let's go back and change date and time. Okay, so guys, you need to find the settings on your device. Okay, so just find the settings. Okay, after that you need to tap on that and you need to scroll down and you need to tap on this additional settings, and here we have the date and time. Okay, so just tap on that, and guys, you can also come to this screen, date and time. So let me go back and let me show you another way. You need to open these settings, and here we have the search settings, this box, okay, at the top. So just tap on that and you need to type date and time. Okay, and here we have the date and time. Okay, the option comes up, so just tap on that and we are now on the screen, okay, of date and time. So currently I have this automatic date and time, okay, so enabled. So let me tap on this toggle to disable it. Okay, and here we have the option set date, so just tap on that, and here we have the month column. You can see, you can select the month column, and here we have the date column, you can select. Okay, and here we have the year, and after you're done selecting, you just need to tap on the OK button. Okay, and here we have the set time, this option, just tap on that, and here we have the hours column. Okay, and here we have the minutes column, just select it, and after that here we have this AM or PM. Okay, and after you're done selecting, you just need to tap on this OK button. Okay, so it's now set. And also guys, here we have the option use 24-hour format. If you like, you can enable this option. So let me tap on this to enable it. You can see it's now changed over here, 24-hour. Okay, so let me tap on this to disable it. Okay, and here we have the time zone. So currently it is automatic time zone. So if you like, you can select your time zone. Okay, so let me tap on this toggle to disable it to show you guys. Okay, and here we have this select time zone. If I tap on this, you can see you can search it or you can also browse. You can scroll down and select your time zone. Okay, so let me go back and let me enable this automatic time zone. Okay guys, and if you want to change it back to this automatic date and time, you can just tap on this toggle to enable it. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily change date and time on MIUI version 10.2. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.